Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can change template in Squarespace. If you are new here, then make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell for quick and easy Squarespace tutorials. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, you just need to be understand how templates works now. So let's open and go log into our Squarespace to starting using. So here the process is really simple because I already have an account and I have a couple of website over that place. So here you can see this is the new website I already have. So I will click over here website and it will redirect us to that place. So first, it is good to know that Squarespace now uses a universal template system. Like unlike older versions, you don't switch into a template anymore. Instead, you customize your design and layout using sections, style setting, and page template within the same theme. So changing your template in 2025 really means swapping out page layout, blocks, and style option without losing your content. So you just need to open your design. So here you can see that we have the website option. So here you can see this is the thing, we have this template we are using here. So to get started, you just need to log into your Squarespace site and go to your dashboard. Then you just need to click on design in your left sidebar. Once you click over here, you will see options like site style to adjust fonts and spacing. Then you will get the options called page layout to choose different pre-made design for each space. So let's click to the edit. Once I click over here, then here actually you will get these options. So you can see it. Just click to the save and again let's see what actually it will be. So now you will get the template setting also here. Just click over here. This is the site style and you can see this thing, like you can change the heading, footing, color, button fonts, then malicious things, also spacing, image block, and many more. So if you want to switch page layout, like to update the look of the page, you just need to go to the page and click the page you want to change, then click edit. Next, click page layout or templates into the top bar, and then Squarespace will show you lots of pre-designed layout. Pick on of like the preview how it liked content. So there is a give you the sample. Let's click to the exit, and here I will click on page, and here we have the portfolio link. If you want to create a new page, just click on page, or you can go with the page layout. Just click over here, and from that place you will find out a couple of page layout. You can choose any of them. Like let's go to choose the theme one. I think this one quite good, so I will click this one, and here it will be established here. So I will click on theme 2 is okay, then I'll visit theme 2, and here you can see that our template design already been shifted to the new design. So this is the easiest way. Once you find one you have, you just need to click apply layout. Don't worry, your text and image won't disappear. You can tweak sections to match your style. So let's customize your new look. After changing the layout, you can customize it under site style. Change font, color, font, buttons, all in real time with visual editors. This is how you give your site totally fresh looks without switching your whole template like in older Squarespace version. So that's it for this today. Your easy guide to changing your Squarespace template in 2025. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you would like a deeper tutorial on Squarespace design tips, then ask me in the comment box. Thanks for watching.